Hi guys, I just take some video right now for all our subscriber. Oh yes, we know that some of our subscriber don't want in our video or in the frame of video, or some of also wanted the video. And if you don't like in the video, just email us, because we just put in our always in our channel or in our video that we have email there, and we can blur it. And also, if you seen Leon in Walking Street, if he's taking some video in Walking Street, just near with him and talk with him in calm, like calm, calm. And you say, if we can remove it. Yes, we can remove it if you want, because it's your what is this name? You like it. So if you like it, we will do it also that you remove, gonna remove you in the video. So thank you for watching guys. Salamat.